Hi guys, MyTechTalks, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a durability test on the Tribit XSound Go. So, it's right here, it's the Tribit XSound Go. We officially killed this by accident when doing a freeze test. You may have saw that video, but if you haven't, check that one out. Weren't planned like that, but we were expecting it to actually still be functional afterwards, but unfortunately, when you press the button, it doesn't really turn on anymore. So we just thought, let's just do a durability test on this. So we've got a pumpkin carving kit, wide range of accessories. Also got my utility knife thing going on here with loads of little attachments. You got rubber on the back, plastic on the XSound Go part. Then you have a little water seal thing here going on, and on the inside you have your USB-C and your 3.5mm jack. Do you know, this is a really good, it's really resistant, this speaker, to scratches, because you can just kind of like wipe it off. So I'm trying my best actually to get anything. I'm not getting a lot on this, to be honest. I'm trying my best here, guys. I might have to just step it up a bit, because as it's rubber, it's really hard to get a grip on this. But as you can see, I'm able to take some stuff off it already. So let's get right onto the panel. Let's see if I can penetrate this. There you go. You can obviously scrape off the black metal, and you can black metal paint, I mean, and you can get black paint, and you can make your speaker silver if you would like. Like that for a bit. Don't wear it down too much, and then you've got yourself a silver speaker. Let's see if the branding comes off as well. Bit shiny now. Yep, the branding is printed on as well. It's not an individual thing. The brand is printed on as well. Ditch this boring thing. Let's go and let's pick one of these. Let's go for... Whew. Be careful around knives, obviously, when you're doing this. Do not try to do this, you know, obviously at home. And you want to do it because you want to. So, wear gloves when you're doing this. Don't do what I'm doing. Yep, durability wise, ain't damaged the knife at all. And wow, okay, you've certainly got a custom speaker. Let's try it on the rubber. Should be doing this on the table. Yeah, this is very durable rubber, like A+ Tribit. Literally, if that's the brand name, or if that's just the logo. Yeah, yeah, so it cuts really deep into this. So let me see if I can get the buttons. There we go. Okay, let me see if I can get the little feet off for a laugh. Nah, it's not going to come off. Okay. Oh, it does. Oh, okay. Okay. Stick around. Don't go. There we go. I peeled the feet off. You can actually put them back in, apparently. Don't lose that. So, okay, that's all for this video. Don't forget to obviously hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on and like this video if you like what you saw. So, follow me on Twitter for more up-to-date tweets and stuff, so you know when I'm putting a new video out. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.